Okay, y'all, we're always going to start with the easiest. I call it Rotel dip. Some people call it queso. And this one is just the simple Rotel dip that has been around forever. You need to take a pound of ground pork sausage. I get the hot. I cooked it loose. And that's what I put in mine is hot pork sausage. Some people do hamburger meat. Some people do mild pork sausage. And right now I'm cutting up a pound of Velveeta. You can use generic. I use all generic things in this to make it as cheap as possible. And then I get the diced tomatoes with green chilies. You can get Rotel brand or you can get generic, and you can do hot or mild. This particular one is mild. But if I had my way, I would do hot all the way because I love spicy. Alright, so I'm going to put all of the sausage in here. Then I'm going to take the Velveeta, place that on top. Depending on if you want more cheesy, more tomatoey, whatever, that just depends on you. And you can also, this is Rotel, not drained, and pour the whole thing in because it's going to need that little bit of liquid to kind of thin it out. You can also use the hot Velveeta if you want to, and you can always add extra stuff to this, like more green chilies or even jalapenos. I just start putting it in the microwave. I do about 3 or 4 minutes to begin with, and then 30 seconds to a minute as needed. Okay, let me get started. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like after about 3 minutes in the microwave. So I just give it a good stir. And of course, it's not done, so it's got to go back in there. Alright, so I'll see you back here in a couple minutes. Okay, y'all, so another extra minute and it was all done. So that's 4 total minutes in the microwave. If you don't use it all at once, you can stick it in the fridge and then reheat it as you go. That's what we've always done. It doesn't really last that long around here. But yeah, it's real easy, real simple. And like I said, it's very forgiving, so you can add or take away. And it's real easy, real simple. On to the next appetizer. Okay, y'all, here is another appetizer that would be perfect for a party or any kind of get together or just for fun. You need to get your crock pot out. I went ahead and sprayed mine because I wasn't real sure how this was going to react. I cooked about a little under 2 pounds of chicken breast. You're going to need 2 8-ounce bricks of cream cheese, and I just kind of chunked that up a little bit. 2 cups of cheddar. Colby probably would be a good substitute if you didn't want to use cheddar. 1 cup of ranch dressing. I don't know if I said this in the beginning. This is a buffalo chicken dip. Now I'm going to use 6 ounces of buffalo wing sauce, and that's it. Cook that on low until everything is combined, and also you need to check on it periodically and stir it. Okay, y'all, this is it. Got it out of the crock pot and went ahead and put it in this bowl so y'all can see it. It was really quick, easy. Combine all the ingredients, dump it in the crock pot, let it warm up, melt, mix it all together. It's all done. Okay, y'all, this is our final and last appetizer to add to the bunch. It's jalapeno popper dip. You need to preheat your oven to 375 because this is going to go in the oven after you get everything mixed together. You need to soften some cream cheese, 8-ounce brick, put it in a mixing bowl. You're gonna also want to combine with that your garlic powder, which is about a teaspoon, and your sour cream, which is about a cup. Just until fluffy. We're gonna mix in our cheddar cheese, which is gonna be 2 cups. We need 3/4 of a cup of parm. Okay. And I wanna mix this together real quick. Then we're gonna add our jalapenos. You can use fresh, or you can get a 4-ounce can and drain them really well. Everything will be in the description below so that you can, you know, do how you want to do. Drain them. Put it in an 8x8. So after you get the cheeses combined, go ahead and put it in your pan. Melt some butter. Alright, I'm going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to add about a cup of panko. We need a cup of panko crumbs. You need a 1/4 of a cup. It's okay if it goes a little over. Shredded parm. And the recipe calls for fresh parsley, but I don't have fresh parsley. I always use dry when I can. So you put about a teaspoon of that in there. We're gonna sprinkle all this out. Now, this is gonna go in your oven for 15 to 20 minutes until hot, and the breadcrumbs are golden brown. I'll see you back here in a few. Okay, y'all, so the popper dip is out of the oven, and it did perfectly, and I'm going to serve it with some wheat thins and some Ritz crackers as well. This is probably going to be one of my newest additions to my party food because I love jalapenos. Okay, y'all, that's it. See y'all next time.